earbuds always falling out? Do you want to hear your music when you're riding your bike? Do you need to use a flashlight hands-free? Do you want to keep your Bluetooth earpiece in your ear? Always using one hand to hold your cell phone microphone closer to your face? Well, you need Clip to Ear for all of those annoying problems with your devices. It holds in your earphone earbuds hands-free. It secures your Bluetooth earpiece hands-free. It comes with a powerful flashlight hands-free. And you get all of this in one handy, hassle-free ear attachment. Hassle-free, hands-free, multiple devices, multiple uses. And all of this in one simple device for your ear. Get Clip to Ear at www.clip2ear.com. That was www.clip2ear.com.